What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to Auto Auction Rebuilds, where today we're doing another Copart walk around. Man, are you guys tired of these walk arounds yet? I'm not. Look, today we're going to start with, oh wait, is that TK from TK's Garage? Be sure you go check out his channel and subscribe to him and follow him on Instagram. I know so many people are already hating. The first one on my, I almost said next one, number one on my list is a 2012 Volvo S60 T5. And at first glance, you look at it and you're like, well, what's wrong with it? I thought the same thing until I really looked at the pictures. Truthfully, it looks great. It is listed as undercarriage damage.
That rim's got a bend in it.
Bent rim on the front, 107 or 109,000 miles. Not bad, but when you get in here, I looked at the inside pics. I said, no, that's a wrap for me. Every bag blown, guys. Look at this. All of them. All of them. Every bag is blown. Even the lights fell out of the roof. Like,
you know, Volvo wants to keep you safe. That's what it's about.
Wow. Now, if you wanted this as like a fun little drift car or a little derby car or something, you could have some fun with this. Oh, you know, you just don't put the bags back.
Just a wire hanging from under the dash.
That's a microphone, I think, for... No, it's not. It smells good in here, too.
Yeah.
I'll bet it starts right up.
Look at that.
Tires need air. No kidding. Look, you could cut all these bags out, right? Cut the dashboard. I've seen people put duct tape or Gorilla Tape over all these blown bags, and the car will look almost as good as new. The steering works.
I just ripped that bag out and super glued that steering wheel back together.
It's not a stick, though. Right into gear.
The T5 makes stupid power, though.
Does it move? Like,
yeah.
Well,
you got a flat tire up front.
Oh, is it
It's
totally
like
flat?
Flat, yeah.
Okay. It does move, though, guys.
I bet it runs and drives.
I'll bet it does. I know the car is in trouble. It's where's the hood? Where's the hood release on this bad boy? Let's see if we can find it. There we go. It's interesting that it says undercarriage damage, because I mean, really, the car looks great. Other than most likely needing a tire.
I don't know where the damn.
Oh, I bet. Let's see. Let's see if I know my my Volvos.
Look at that.
Look at that. So it looks like it's running great. It's quiet. Truthfully, like, I'm a little confused as to what happened to this car. The
airbag.
But I mean, like, what happened to it? It had to hit something hard enough to set off every airbag in the car.
I've had some BMWs that go off over speed bumps.
And all I see is a tiny bend.
Very, very small bend.
Yeah.
Where, oh, you moved
it's right over there. It's right here.
Yeah. It's not bad.
It's a tiny bend.
Right there.
You're telling me that little bend set off every airbag in the whole car? Because she runs, so it's not like it lost its oil. It still moves, so it still has transmission flow. Oh, this tire's flat too. Okay,
they must have hit something really hard.
They must have gone over a curb, but I mean, the body's fine, the car's fine. Replace the windshield, those airbags though, man. And the thing that really kills it for me as a car to try to put back together is that right there.
The dashboard?
The dashboard. That's, I mean, I'm just not doing that. That's not happening.
Rip the bag out, stick it down, and just, I mean, this is not the legal way to do it, but just put some super glue around it.
No.
And you'll be good to go.
No. Hey, there's the next giveaway car right there.
Toyota Corolla?
A nice little Corolla. Man, this was such a nice car, and technically it still is. Somebody could make this a great car if you could live without the airbags.
God, it sounds good too.
It does. It sounds great.
Any check engine lights?
Oh, let's see. I don't think so. No. No, we got a low tire light, and we got an airbag light.
Airbag light, but
that's it. Let's take this out. Otherwise, it's a nice little car. Next is a 2012 BMW 328i. I don't know what's wrong with it, but it's listed as an insurance car, salvage title, mechanical damage, 66,000 miles on the odometer. And in the pictures, it actually looked really good. In person is, what is this? Some perfume? What is this? Nautica. Boy, big money there. This thing's rough, man. I mean, it's not horrible, but it's pretty bad. It doesn't smell good at all. Oh, wow. Well, so there's pieces of the engine in here. That might be the mechanical damage part.
Is it the cover and stuff?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, that's just the cover. I wonder, oh, wait a minute. What's that down on the floor?
Oh, man.
See, they drove over something. I bet, because I didn't see the exhaust pipe coming out the rear.
So they took the exhaust too. Well, let's see what's under the hood.
This is a double pull. Let me pull.
Oh, man.
You know what I'm talking about?
Yeah. The one you got to pull the hood release twice.
Yeah. Pain in the ass. It should be clear now.
There we go. Oh. Well,
Yeah.
yeah. So,
Mechanical damage, to say the least.
boy, they've really been in here. So this is all disconnected. That's all disconnected. The coils have been removed. So have the spark plugs. So I can already tell you what this was.
Flood car?
This is a flood car. Yeah, we're not even going to mess with this. I'm not even going to attempt to start it or anything. This is definitely the fact. I already know because it's number one, an insurance company, and number two, it's got a service tag. So this thing went to somebody that looked at it and said, "No, it's done. It's toast."
Liberty Mutual. Where's
Yeah.
the Emu at? The Limu Emu.
Not here.
Yeah.
That's up north. So I guess we'll move on to another one. Next, we have a 2011 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Sport. Ouch. Oh, yeah.
I usually if I hear ouch, I know it's bad, but I didn't know if it was really bad.
Yeah, dang. This one took it to the A pillar and the B pillar and the rocker. So, I mean, that's just like, that's 3 strikes, you're out right there, man.
Still a
Pillar,
Pro toy.
pillar, rocker, and then you still have door damage. 94,000 miles, though, so I mean, the miles are low. Unfortunately, this generation uses that, what is it, a 3-point-something liter V6.
Pentastar.
I'm not really a fan of these, and I'll bet we start it up. See if I can start it up from in here. They all rattle like crazy. Oh, broken glass everywhere. Oh, let's see. Let's see if it'll start up. It'll probably rattle like a son of a gun. You can hear those lifters on these, man. They're just like, brrr. Sounds like the engine's about to explode, but it's really not. Oh.
Dead?
Yeah.
Of course.
And if you think I'm going to climb through all of this,
No.
for something that I have no interest in buying, you've got another thing coming. I ain't doing it. I figured we'd take a look at it. Don't know how bad it was. Let's go ahead and pop the hood real quick, though, and see which V6 this is. For life of me, I can't remember what size. Oh, this is a 3.8. I take that back. I take that back.
The 3.7. The 3.7 is the piece of crap.
This is a good engine. I love the 3.8s. I have loved the 3.8 in these SUVs. Or sorry, this is a Jeep. Good God, Randy.
Didn't they put it in the Caravan?
They put it in the Caravan. Yeah, these are great motors. Excellent motors. But unfortunately, I have no interest in this right now. No time to deal with this right now. So we'll move on to the next one. Last one on the list, guys. What is this, a 15? Something 16. Like that. A 16 Charger. This was listed as a police car, and I guess you could call it that. It looks like maybe it was a police car at one point. I don't know, but it's missing the crash bar or the push bar, whatever you want to call it. It says security down the side of it with some phone numbers. This, though, this is the Hemi. This is a 5.7, and this is all-wheel drive, which is why I'm interested in it. Light bar missing. Thankfully, they took the decals off.
It looks like they hit it with one of those damn wheels.
Yeah, I think they did. I think they used the wheel. It's got the dual exhaust. As you can see, Charger all-wheel drive. It's listed as a non-runner, which I love these because like 9 times out of 10 you get out here and they fire up. Oh, wow. Look at that. You can see where the light bar was screwed in there. The interior's filthy, which is, I mean, that's what you would expect from a police car. Let's get in here, and there's no power. All right. Everything's been ripped out. All the wiring is gone. The light, windshield is smashed. The light is smashed. Pop the hood real quick. And we'll check some fluids here. It's got the key fob, so that's good. I'm thinking the all-wheel drive would be a lot of fun. The only thing I dislike about all-wheel drive is that we're not going to be able to do burnouts, and I really love doing burnouts. Burnouts is something you just don't do in this. 69,000 miles on the clock, so low mileage. We'll check the oil, and oh, well, there's 0 oil on this, guys. Hopefully you can see that. No oil. That's very concerning. Very, very, very concerning. So I'm guessing this thing must have run over something. Let me see if I can get y'all underneath the car here. And now we know why. Look at the subframe on this. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Wow. Okay. Well, if you don't know, now you know. So after seeing that, I am going to say that's a wrap on this car, man. Unfortunately, got you a little under hood light there. I'm actually missing that for mine. We should buy that just for that light bulb. I'm going to say this one is a no-go for me. And that is going to wrap it up for this Copart walk around. I appreciate all of you for joining. Big shout out to TK from TK's Garage for coming out here and helping me. Be sure to go follow him on Instagram, TK's Garage. Follow him on Facebook. Why do I keep saying Facebook? Do you have a TK's Garage Facebook? You don't, do you? You do? Yeah. Okay, TK's Garage Facebook.
This is the bloopers edition.
Yeah, the bloopers edition to give to the members.
Yeah.
Because there's a new membership. Okay, I'm going to try this again. Thank you for watching, guys. I truly appreciate all you. Be sure to follow and subscribe to TK's Garage on Instagram and on YouTube. I got it that time. And check this out, guys. My channel has just been enabled for this new membership feature. There's a button that says join under the video. You can click that button and you can literally join for $1.99 a month. You help support the channel. I get 70%, YouTube gets 30%. Hey, they got to make their money too. You know what I mean? And for that, you get exclusive content from me, which means live streams. I'm going to give exclusive live streams to you guys. So you can basically chat and live stream one-on-one with me. And hey, if TK's in there, you can come into that live stream and tell him to eat a bag of
dicks.
Oh no.
Oh.
No. I didn't say it.
I said it.
So you can go and you can tell him exactly how you feel. For $1.99 a month, you can come on the next live stream and tell him exactly what's on your mind. Hey, no, truthfully, that really does help support the channel. Truly it does. And I'm really hoping that with enough memberships, since I'm kind of waiting on my YouTube channel to grow organically, with enough memberships, we can do bigger and better things. And I'm really wanting to do some other things. So I've told you guys for a long time, I really wanted to give some cars away to people in need. Probably most likely in my area where it's easier to get these cars to people that really do need them right here locally. I'm looking forward to doing some of that stuff. And that joining that membership plan really does help out. I truly appreciate it. But listen, no obligation. If you don't want to join, that's fine. I still appreciate each and every one of you for watching and making this possible. I couldn't do this without you. I wouldn't be where I am today without you. So thank you all so much. You can follow me on Facebook and Instagram, Auto Auction Rebuilds. I'm going to get out here. Until next time, stay safe out there, everybody. I will catch you all very soon in the next one.